Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on 3-minute series for prelims. In this video, we'll be discussing about the executive bodies in India. The first body is the Intellectual Body Appellate Board. It was established under the Trademarks Act of 1999 and it was mainly set up to reduce the burden on high courts for the litigations involving intellectual property rights such as trademarks, geographical indication, patents, etc. It hears appeals against the decisions of the Registrar General of Trademarks, Geographical Indication and Controller General of Patents. The appeals from the orders of the trademark rules and is also heard by this board. The second body is the Press Council of India. It is a statutory and a quasi-judicial body established under the Press Councils Act of 1978. It is quasi-judicial in the sense that it resolves the disputes between litigants. It adjudicates complaints that against and by the press for the violation of ethics and also for the violation of the freedom of the press respectively. It comprises of a chairman and 28 members. The chairman, as per the convention, is generally a retired judge of the Supreme Court, while of the 28 members, 20 members are represented from the press, and of the 8, 5 are represented from the members of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and 3 are represented from the fields of cultural, literary and legal fields such as nominees of the Sahitya Academy Awards, University Grants Commission and the Bar Council of India. It also acts as an appellate body under the Press and Registration of Books Act of 1867. The third body is the TDSAT, that is Telecom Dispute Settlement and the Appellate Tribunal. This was set up in the year 2000 under the provisions of the TRI Act, that is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. It settles and adjudicates disputes between licensor and the licensee, and between service providers and a group of service providers, and also between service providers and a group of consumers as well. Its jurisdiction also includes broadcasting and cable services and also exercises the appellate jurisdiction over the regulations and the orders passed by the TRI, that is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding regulatory bodies. TDSAT is a statutory body under the TRI Act of 1997. Press Council of India is only headed by the retired Chief Justice of India. The correct answer is A, one only. As a TDSAT is a statutory body and also an executive body used for adjudication of disputes for the orders passed by the TRI Act of 1997, while the Press Council of India has a convention to be headed by the retired Judge of Supreme Court and not compulsorily by the retired Chief Justice of India. Thank you.